Race number 8 was brought to us by Pinoy Stream Channel. Replay and dog sa atin na Santa Ana Party dito po sa Nay Cavite. Bayang Karerista, kayo ang bida.
Away they go. King and Prince from the outside, rising up Pure Enjoyment and racing out of Father outside his birthday gift. King and Prince moving up by the rally's Hasty Cat. Pure Enjoyment racing on the outside his birthday gift, rushing up Queen Elizabeta. Baby Smarty is running in 6 by Doral alongside his Batong Buhay. And inside the last 900, Hasty Cat grabs the lead from King and Prince. Pure Enjoyment birthday gift racing on the outside his Queen Elizabeta. And rounding the far turn, Hasty Cat by Alenkina, Pure Enjoyment, and racing by the rally's Queen Elizabeta, King and Prince birthday gift, and Baby Smarty Batong Buhay as they race the final corner. Hasty Cat by Hapolan on the outside, Pure Enjoyment in between runners, Queen Elizabeta. Hasty Cat and Queen Elizabeta. Baby Smarty barreling down on the inside, out of Father outside is Pure Enjoyment to grab the lead. Pure Enjoyment, Baby Smarty down on the inside to grab the lead. It's now 4 Baby Smarty, and finally Baby Smarty. Back off Pure Enjoyment. Queen Elizabeta missed